Hello, this is Alexey. I continue to publish video tutorials and reviews. If this video will be useful to you, please subscribe to my channel and click on the like button under this video. In this way, you will help other users to find necessary information, and my channel will be run better. All links from the video can be found in the description below. In previous free video tutorial, we create website on Joomla 4 from scratch. We used only free extensions. The result was a business website which was uploaded to the hosting. The previously recorded video tutorials for Joomla 4 are almost completely relevant for current version of Joomla 5.3. The information in this video tutorial remains relevant for Joomla 4 as well. At least this is true on August 20, 2025. In the previous video tutorial, we created product categories, products and manufacturers. In this video, we will work with custom fields. But before that, please note that there are information about new Joomla version and new updates for extensions. If you have an important website, I strongly recommend testing the update on a copy of the website first and then update the main website. And before update the main website, be sure to make a backup copy of it. In my case, I already made a copy and I can update the site. After updating, be sure to check the entire site very carefully. Any upgrade can break something. First, we need update available extensions. Just go here, select extensions we want to update. In my case, it's Akiba Backup and our System Helix Ultimate Framework. Click Update and wait. After extension was update, go to Joomla Available Updates and start updating. It will take several seconds, depend on your hosting. Once more, after update, please check your website very carefully. Before start working with custom fields, let's look at some examples of how they can be used. For example, product customization. Custom fields allow you to add product options such as size, color, material and other options that customer can choose during checkout. This is useful if the same product has multiple options, for example, size M, L, color, and so on. Additional information. Custom fields can be used to display additional information about the products, for example, such as technical specification, manufacturing data, warranty period, and so on. In my case, for example, this is screen size and screen type. Pricing. Custom fields can be used to add pricing options dependent on the selected parameters, such as adding a cost for a larger size or additional accessories. For example, let's see the price for size S like this, and now let's change it to L, and we can see the price was changed. Filtering and searching. Fields can also be useful for filtering products based on specific criteria on a category page, improving the user experience when searching for the right product. For this, you need to install an additional extension to filter products. Here we can see the filter. We can click, for example, 42, and we will see all products with screen size 42. For example, we can select QLED models and we can see one product. Custom fields can add product characteristics. With product characteristics, you can compare multiple products on one page. But for this, you need to install an additional extension. For example, we can add this product to compare and this one we can click Compare and see the difference. Here we can see some fields, for example, color, size. Also, there can be another additional custom fields, and the customer can compare products looking in this table. Similar products. Using a specific type of custom field, you can display similar product categories and similar products. For example, just click Add to Cart, and here we can see similar products. Also, you can display them here and the customer can see them. There are plugins from third-party developers that can allow you to significantly expand the standard functions of VirtueMart. For example, add the ability to sell electronic goods, downloadable files, provide the ability to upload files to customers, create quite complex product editors, and much more. As you remember, this is our product we created in the previous video tutorial. Now let's add some custom fields. Go to Component, VirtueMart, Products. Here we can see custom fields and we can create new custom field. The first custom field will be size, it will be string type. I'll add default values, I'll add layout position, just save it. For now, just leave it like that. Go to products, let's find our first product. Here it is. Let's go to custom fields and add our size. If I click save, update the page, and I'll see like that. That's not very good. I want to my customers will be able to select size of the dress here, and the price will be changing, depend on their selection. Let's go here and make some changes. Here let's select cart input, select yes. Here select as admin, and here select yes. Update it, go back, delete this field, just save it, add one more time, yes. Here we can see size S will be no cost, size M will be plus $10, L plus $20, and XL plus $55. Just save it, update the page, and now we can see S no additional charge, M plus 10, L plus 20, and XL plus 55. Also, there are other positions for our products custom field. For example, on top, update the page, we can see it here. Normal, update the page, we can see it here in the detail tab. And the last one on bottom. Update the page and we can see it here. I leave it like it was at first time, add to cart, update the page, and we can see it here. The next field will be color, but for this field we need to add some media files to VirtueMart, product, and let's upload some media files here. In my case it will be yellow and blue. Here they are. Let's go back to VirtueMart. Here shop, Here we need to go to media files and synchronize media files with our files, because here we won't see our blue and yellow color pictures. So just click synchronize and now we can see them. Now we can use them in our custom fields. Go back to custom field, create new one. Custom field type will be image. I'll call it color. It will be cart input. Layout position will be add to cart. Image weight will be 25 to 25. Okay, just save it. Go here, save our product. Let's add color. It will be first yellow and second will be blue. Just save it. Update the page and we can see color yellow and blue. In the next video tutorials, we will hide the file names of these pictures, but now just leave like that. The next field will be note. The custom field type will be Textarea. The title will be note. Just save it. Layout position add to cart. No other changes needed, but first I'd like to show you some example with and without formatting of the text. Save it. Let's add note. Here we can see our custom field. Let's add some text just for testing purpose. Update it, and we can see something like this. Not very good, so let's go, for example, to content, article. Let's insert some text. How to work with this editor you can find out in my previous video tutorial, but just make some formatting of this text. It will be bold and this will be bold. Also, we can insert some link, for example, here. We'll insert the link. Save it. Toggle editor, copy this, go here and replace this text with formatting. Update the page and we can see formatted text also with the link. By default, here you can see related products field. Here you can see related product. You need to click here and start to enter something. For example, woman dress. I'd like to add related product to woman dress 1 will be woman dress 2, woman dress 3, and for example, woman dress 4. Just save it. Update the page. Yes, we can see them here, related products. Also, we can click add to cart and we can see related products here. Let's see the next example. Here we can see woman dress 2 with no custom fields. As you can see, there are no custom fields here, but I want to show you the specific custom field group. Let's create it. The custom field type will be custom group. It will be close. It will be cart input, layout position add to cart. Now let's go back to our custom fields. Note it will be custom group close. Also the color. and the size. So let's go to woman's dress 2, and here we can select one field close. We can add it here, but if we go here, update the page, we can see just one size, one color, so it's not very convenient in situations like this. You can add one more group, delete it, delete this, select other color, other size, update the page, and repeat it once more. But as you can see, it's not very convenient, so you'll need to choose to use custom field group or to use not. In the next video tutorial, we will continue to creating an online store on VirtueMart and Joomla. If you have questions, please leave them in the comments. If this video was helpful to you, please give it a like. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. This is Alexey. See you soon in new tutorials.